Today, we got the first look at the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, and the design details have finally leaked, thanks to OnLeaks and Android Authority. The phone's dimensions are slightly larger than last year at 166.6 x 75.2 x 6.9mm, which means we also get bigger displays. The cover display is now 3.6 inches, while the internal folding display is 6.8 inches. Although it's not as large as some earlier leaks suggested, it's still an improvement. One key design change is the reduced visibility of the crease in the center of the display. While it's still there, it's barely noticeable unless caught in the right lighting. OnLeaks and Android headlines also shared high-resolution images and a full 360-degree render video, confirming the phone still has a dual-camera setup, and the previous rumors about a color-coded top panel were false. It'll be black once again. Overall, the Z Flip 7 looks very similar to its predecessor, the Z Flip 6, but with refined edges, better dimensions, and a more polished look. It's more of a refresh than a complete redesign, but the tweaks do enhance the user experience. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 boasts a 6.8-inch foldable 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display that is brighter and more color accurate than its predecessor. It's protected by Samsung's latest ultra-thin glass, which significantly reduces visible creasing on the screen. The external cover display has also received an upgrade, now measuring 3.8 inches with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering better brightness and color accuracy. In terms of cameras, the device features a 10-megapixel punch-hole selfie camera on the internal display. On the rear, it sports a dual-camera setup comprising a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Although the megapixel count is the same as last year, upgraded sensors are expected to enhance image quality. Under the hood, the Z Flip 7 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, replacing the initially rumored Exynos 2500 due to production issues. It comes with 12GB of RAM and offers storage options of 256GB or 512GB. The phone is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, now supporting faster wired and wireless charging. Connectivity options include 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC. The device runs on One UI 7 based on Android 15. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to start at around $1,099. This positions it similarly to previous models in the Flip series, offering premium foldable features at a competitive price point. Considering the upgrades in display, camera sensors, and performance, it still feels like a solid value for fans of the form factor or newcomers to foldables. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the launch date, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to debut during the mid-year Galaxy Unpacked event, typically held in July or August. Given how detailed the leaks are, we're likely just weeks away from the official reveal. So, for those looking to upgrade from an older Flip or wanting to try out a foldable phone for the first time, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 looks like a great option. So, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.